Here's an example of the changing picture project. So I have this circle, star, and star on the top half of my screen. And then I have this square and circle and then some text on the bottom half of my screen. So you'll notice if I click on the top, the blue circle disappears and the red star actually starts to rotate. All right, when I release, then the blue circle comes back. And then you can also see that I'm adding the round to the roundness of the green. All right. And so that is what's going on when I click on the top half of the region. When I click on the bottom half, what you're going to see is you're going to see that the yellow circle disappears. All right. But then when I release, it reappears. All right. And you'll also notice a couple other things. The shapes are actually moving to the right every time I click. And then you'll also see that the text, is actually getting smaller as it moves over. And so I've done a little bit more than is required. Now you'll also notice that I just got an error. Why did I get an error? Well, because the text actually got to where it was non-existent, and so then it prompted an error. Now I'll also get an error here eventually if the roundness gets too high. So obviously, the errors are, going to happen in certain situations, but you can see uh, the properties that are changing as I click in the top half, but nothing's happening in the bottom half. And then when I click in the bottom half, now the properties are changing on the bottom. All right. So that is an example of this project.